So we're coming up to Ponte Vittorio Emanuele II. I believe Ponte means bridge or point or something of that effect. I actually came through this area yesterday. Oh, what's this? That looks pretty cool, eh? Let's go take a quick look here. So much to see. Oh, I gotta run across the street. Okay. Wow. Great how they light things up. So this Ponte Vittorio Emanuele II bridge, it's a bridge named after obviously Vittorio Emanuele II, and I believe he was the one who unified Italy. I know Italy used to be, I don't think it was like a whole bunch of tribes or anything like that, like what you would find in Africa or other areas. But I know Sicily was its own country. So yesterday, I came from here, walked across here, and then I went that way. That's where I have videos of where I was yesterday. Giancarlo and Giuseppe and some of the monuments I've seen there. So this is my first time crossing this bridge. Very pretty bridge. Again, look at the details on that. But considering how important Vittorio Emanuele II was, surprised this bridge isn't as spectacular as some of the bridges I've seen. Prague and Budapest have some absolutely stunning bridges, but I believe this bridge is probably just too short. Nonetheless, look at the details here. Perhaps I was wrong. Perhaps I shouldn't say it's not spectacular. It's just too short. Again, this is the Tiber River. And on my previous video, I mentioned Tiber was this gladiator who turned into a king. No, I was just making that up, obviously. Looks like two women reaching for something here. No, actually there are more people. There's some men here too. And this guy got left out. He's at the bottom. And everywhere you go, there's a lion. You touch the lion's nose. All right. Pizzerias are everywhere here. Too bad they're not open though. I guess 4:54 in the morning is just too damn early for these Italians. This is not their thing.